We have a 1999 Yale forklift. The model is a GLC060TG. It has a 6,000 pound base lifting capacity. Runs on propane fuel. Has non-marking cushion tires, good for use on any solid surface, either indoors or outdoors. Tires in really good condition. The forklift has an automatic transmission with a switch for forward, neutral, and reverse. Functional backup alarm. This is a 4-stage quad mast. The mast is 84 inches when collapsed. That means the forklift's only 7 feet tall when the forks are down on the ground. The forks will lift to a maximum height of 240 inches. That's 20 feet, good for extra high lifting capability. It has 42-inch long standard forks and a load backrest attachment. Forklift has tilt function forward and back. Also has side shift function to move the fork carriage side to side. It has operable headlights. 3,700 hours on this machine. It's in really good condition. It's been serviced by our forklift technicians and is ready to work.